Welcome back to another MYSis video with Brand Consulting. Today we're going to be talking about bins. Alright, so we're going to start at locations and we're going to go to our main stock room right here. We're going to come to the bins tab. We're going to add new. So our bin number in this one is A1. Description, top shelf. Automatic bin assignment mode is active only when we do assembly transfers. Individual item transfers have to have a bin number, otherwise everything gets altered in the location. So we're just going to stick it here on manual. Status, if you click not available, you can't reference this bin in a stock transfer. Alright, and now we're going to assign an item. So we're going to assign pencil wood for this one. And if you notice, we can't alter stock quantity here at all. And so what we're going to do is we're going to save this one. We'll show you how to transfer in. So we go over here to stock control, item transfers, and we're going to move stock. So item number P30. We have to reference a job number, so let's just do job 3. From location number, which is going to be location 1 in general. Now we can't assign a bin, but this is the first bin we've set up, and so we're going to send it to location 1, but bin A1. We're going to select that. Gives our description right here, and we're just going to transfer in there 10. So if we click on lot quantity, if you notice right here, this is the same lots that we set up over in our master files, so we can transfer just an entire lot quantity, but we're not going to do that for right now. Okay, so we're going to click move. I want to say yes, we want to. Now if we come over here to master files, locations, and we look up our bins, we can see that we now have 10 in our bin, and we can look at our bin history, and it tells us all the transfers that we've done in and out. This is one that I created before, so we do have some history with bin A1. If you found this helpful, please like, share, subscribe, comment below, let us know what else we can help you with. Thanks.